the stables of Broadmind Special Projects. I am your correspondent live in Lagos, and this is the Chronicles of Construction. In today's industry segment, we welcome you to the Costech Annual Smart City Hackathon and Workshop 2026 with the theme AI, shaping the next era of AEC. Let's go inside.
A workshop and hackathon because we used to do this for almost 6 years now. It used to be a conference, but along the way we got tired of just talking the talk, and we said, you know what, if you really want to make a difference in society, in the country, we have to walk the walk. So it's going to be a workshop and a hackathon. So there will be keynote presenters who will present things, but it's mostly focused on hands-on experience and demonstrations, and a hackathon where we show the promise of the next generation of people who are into smart cities, developing some apps and demonstrating what those apps can do to help actualize smart cities. So that's why it's a workshop and hackathon as opposed to a traditional conference, something that people can actually feel there's a takeaway.
We are expecting an innovation on AI shaping for all engineers, all architects and all builders.
And I'm attending Costech Smart City Hackathon and Workshop for the first time. And I'm expecting to see an innovative ideas. I'm expecting to learn more beautiful app tech that I can use for my own professional aesthetics as well.
So here I'm thinking another angle. So I think the tools or it's good to start with the foundation before talking about digital twin and the results, scenarios, or whatever. So that's why I would like to show you how you can start the design phase of your infrastructure that will be connected to your city at the end of the day. And of course, we'll see practical examples, real examples that used our solutions for digital engineering and how they are operating right now.
As an infrastructure software company, we put a lot of emphasis on digital. So digital transformation, for example, where AI plays an important role in AEC industry, starting from planning, multidisciplinary design, then constructing, for example, building mobility, water, wastewater, airports, etc. So all of the infrastructure which is key and for the cities. And finally, of course, operating and maintaining that for the future. AI is playing an important role. Recently, we launched our products with AI assistant inside. And engineers can use, for example, our sophisticated engineering software platforms by natural language processing.
If you don't get involved in AI and change the narrative and control it, then AI will probably make you redundant. People think that AI will replace your work. No, when I say AI, I don't mean robots or technology. No, it is people who have AI knowledge that will replace those who don't have AI knowledge. One person with AI knowledge can do the work of 4 people. Not because he's a superhero or whatever, no, but because he has the tools that enable him to perform the function of 4 people more accurately, more effectively than, so it will have consequences on employment.
Leadership sets direction. Technology accelerates progress. Execution delivers results. It's been an insightful time at the Costech Smart City Hackathon and Workshop 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been your host with the most, MC Flames, and this is the Chronicles of Construction. Don't forget, the art of building, the soul of storytelling.
This is the Chronicles of Construction, the art of building, the soul of storytelling, ubiquitous.